Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel is going to bring you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video is about what to do when your Android phone stuck on logo. Here's how an Android phone user describes the issues from the forum. My Android phone is not turning on but showing the logo of the mobile company in a black screen. I've been waiting it for hours, but my phone is stuck on logo and won't boot up normally. After our understanding, you may also be facing the same or similar issues. When this happens, it seems difficult to fix the device because you may not be able to access it. No need to panic, Android phone stuck on logo screen can happen to anyone. To help you out of the dilemma, we will explain the reasons and how to fix Android device that's stuck on logo screen. Cause 1. The operating system goes wrong. When your Android phone won't boot past logo, the first solution is to restart your phone. You need to long press the power button, after which the power off screen will be displayed. Then select the restart option. After that, select the restart option again to confirm. Wait for your Android phone shutdowns and the stuck logo screen will disappear. A few seconds later, the logo screen will show up again. Don't worry. Just wait patiently to let your phone boot past the logo screen and start up. If it's still frozen on the logo screen, try to force restart your Android phone. We've listed the steps for some common phone models. If you are using a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If you are using a Google Pixel smartphone, press and hold the power button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If you are using a OnePlus, press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If you are using a Huawei, press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If you are using a Xiaomi, press and hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If you are using Oppo, press and hold the power button and the volume down button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If you are using Vivo, press and hold the power button and the volume down button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the device restarts. If you're using a phone with removable battery, go and take out the battery to shut down the device, then put it back and press the power button to turn on your Android phone. If the system glitch is the cause, you should find the stuck logo screen on Android phone is fixed and the device turns back on properly. Cause 2. Your Android phone battery runs out of power. Just like opening a desktop computer, your Android phone needs enough power to run the necessary system apps and files and turn off the phone for usage. If the battery is too low, it'll lead to your Android phone getting stuck on logo screen. If this is the case, try to connect the charging cable that came with your Android phone to a power outlet securely. If your Android phone is charging successfully, you should see a battery icon with a lightning bolt. Sometimes you will also see the battery percentage. Keep charging the device until it has been charged for more than 60 minutes or the percentage reaches at least 50%. Then, try to restart or force restart your Android phone and see if it's no longer stuck on the logo screen but turning on successfully. Reason 3. There may be something wrong with the third-party app. Have you recently downloaded and installed one or more apps from an unsafe website? Does your Android phone have the problem of the logo screen getting stuck immediately after installation? If the answer is yes, then you should suspect whether there is something wrong with the app. To test this possibility, you can restart your device to safe mode. It will start with the original settings without third-party apps. Here's what you need to do. First, you need to make sure your Android phone is turned off. If your Android phone cannot be turned off, wait a day or two for your Android phone to drain the battery. Then charge your Android phone for 30 minutes or more. After that, press the power button plus volume up button until the Huawei logo appears. If done correctly, your Android phone should turn on and enter recovery mode. Please select the safe mode option in recovery mode, after which your phone will restart and safe mode will appear in the lower left corner of the screen. Then you can conclude that the Android phone cannot boot past the logo due to a malfunctioning app. Find the app you think is problematic. Long press it on the safe mode screen to delete it. After that, press and hold the power button. A menu will appear. Select the restart or reboot option. Then, select restart in normal mode. Next, wait for your Android phone to boot successfully. If the steps here don't get your Android phone into safe mode, leave a comment below and tell us your brand and we'll show you how to do it. Cause 4. Any outdated system cache or files. How long have you used your phone? If you've held it for a few years, it's possible that the accumulation of unused cache and files might interfere with the system and make it stop working somehow. To fix such errors, you can wipe cache partition. as your Android phone is stuck on the logo screen, so you'll need to put your phone into recovery mode first. The steps vary for different phone brands. Here are the steps for some of them. If you are using a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button at the same time until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Cache Partition option and select it with the power button. Then, select Yes. If you are using a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode and select it with the power button. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press the power button plus volume up button. Then, use the volume buttons and power button to select the Wipe Cache Partition option. If you are using a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Cache Partition option and select it with the power button. Next, select Yes. Once the process is all completed, your Android phone will restart and return to the home screen. If your Android phone brand is different, please tell us your phone brand in the comment section and we will show you how to do it. Of course, you can also try this method directly. Cause 5. Unknown error causes Android phone not booting past logo. Another solution for Android stuck on boot logo is to factory reset your phone. It can restore your phone to its default state, just like a new one. It can help you clear system errors, wipe cache, and solve unknown errors, etc. Considering that your Android phone may not be able to access the home page normally, you cannot use the factory reset in settings to recharge. Then you can put your Android phone into recovery mode to restore factory settings. Consistent with wiping the cache partition, first, turn off your Android device. Then, connect your phone to the computer using a USB data cable. Next, enter recovery mode to reset an Android phone that is not booting. The steps for different phone brands are different. Here are the steps for some of them. If you are using a Samsung Galaxy phone, press and hold the power button, volume up button, and home button at the same time until the Samsung logo appears. Use the volume button to navigate to the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option and select it using the power button. Then, select Yes. If you are using a Google Pixel phone, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time until the Android mascot appears. Use the volume buttons to highlight recovery mode and then use the power button to select it. When the Android robot with a red exclamation mark appears, press the power button plus volume up button. Then, use the volume buttons and the power button to select the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option. If you are using a Huawei or Honor phone, press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time until the Huawei logo appears. Then, use the volume buttons to navigate to the Wipe Data, Factory Reset option and use the power button to select it. Next, select Yes. After the reset process is complete, your Android phone will restart and power on by itself. Please note that using this method when your Android phone stuck at boot logo will delete everything on your phone. So make sure you have an existing backup before proceeding. Cause 6. Your phone needs to be serviced. Have you recently dropped your phone on the floor? Has the device been exposed to raindrops or water? If you remind anything like that, then you'll need to ask help from experts to get Android phone out of the stuck logo screen. One is to take your Android phone to the official service center of the Android phone manufacturer. Another is to go to the device dealer or the business where you purchased the warranty to repair and power on your Android phone. That's the end of the video. If you still have questions about your device, type them down in the comments. If it helps you fix Android phone stuck on logo issues, feel free to give this video a like, and also comment below to tell us which method works. Alright now, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn the notification bell on to stay tuned with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching this video and hope you have a good day.